There we have an iPad Air M2, and today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on this device. So in the first step, open your web browser. Then go to the google.com. And remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Click on the small camera icon. And if you see something like that, just change your web browser. Let's try it in the Safari. Click on the camera icon and choose Upload a file. Now choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my library. Save your photo and click on the Done. Now we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edge of the square to look for something more specific. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.